Hi, I'm Christina Reiteicher with About.com, and today I'll show you how to make a Mardi Gras king cake. The Mardi Gras king cake is rolled in a cinnamon filling and then topped with homemade colored icings. For this recipe, for the cake you will need 1/4 cup butter, 16 ounces of sour cream, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 packages of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/2 cup warm water, 2 eggs, 6½ cups of flour divided, 1/2 cup sugar, 1½ teaspoons ground cinnamon, a 1/3 cup butter, and a baby plastic trinket, optional. For the icing you will need 3 cups powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and green, yellow, blue, and red food coloring. Place a saucepan on the stove set to low heat. Add the butter, sour cream, sugar, and salt. Stir the mixture until the butter melts, then take the pot off the burner. Place 1/2 cup of warm water in a large mixing bowl. Add the yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar and allow the mixture to stand for 5 minutes. Add the butter mixture, eggs, and 2 cups of flour. Beat the mixture at medium speed for 2 minutes. Stir in the remaining flour. Lightly flour a surface and knead the dough approximately 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and elastic. Grease a large bowl and place the dough into the bowl. Turn the dough over once to coat and then cover with a towel. Allow the dough to rise 1 hour. Mix a 1/2 cup sugar with the cinnamon in a bowl and then lightly flour a clean surface. Punch the dough down, then remove half the dough. Roll the dough out to a 28 by 10 inch rectangle. Soften the butter in the microwave, then spread half of the butter on the dough. Sprinkle with half of the cinnamon dish. Roll the rectangle lengthwise, then place it with the seam side down on a greased baking dish. Bring the ends together and pinch them together to form a ring. Repeat this process with the remaining dough, cinnamon mixture, and butter. To conceal the baby trinket in the dough, simply lift one side of the cake and place the trinket underneath. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Cover the rolls and allow them to rise 20 minutes. Bake the rolls 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the rolls to cool. To make the colored icings, mix the powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Now it's time to color the icing. The icing should be the traditional Mardi Gras colors, which are purple, gold, and green. Separate the icing into 3 separate bowls. Add 2 drops of food coloring at a time, stir, and then add more if needed. To make the purple icing, use equal parts of red and blue food coloring. Melt the icing in the microwave if it's too thick to drizzle onto the cake. Drizzle the cake with the icing using alternating bands of color. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us online at About.com.